Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset PS4. There's two ways you can do it. You can go through the menu, or you can do while the system's off, from just using from the power button. It will take you to recovery mode. Then you can choose from there, but I'll show you. So let's go to the screen. As you can see now my PS4 is on. So what you need to do is go to settings, scroll down all the way, go down to Initialisation. I think that's how you pronounce it. Click on it. As you can see, it's got system default settings. That one just resets all the settings that you made. You have to go to Initialise. Click on that. As you can see, it's got quickly delete data from system restore, Initialize PS4. This method might allow third parties to retrieve the data by using specialized tools. In this case, you need to do full reset if you wanted to. For example, you want to give it to somebody, or if you want to sell it, family, or give it to family members. You don't want them using your data, all your emails and all that stuff, or your payment methods, all that installed on the PS4. You don't want people using it. So you have to go full. As it says, completely delete data from system restore and initialize PS4. This method takes a couple of hours, but it'll do the job. It will delete. I repeat, make sure you're ready to delete it. Otherwise, if you're not ready, don't click on it. That's one way. I'll show you the second way. So we need to go back to the PS4. This time you're going to need a USB cable and your PS4 controller. So I'm just trying to plug it in. One second, let me just put the camera down a little bit so you guys can see. Zoom in. All you need to do is first just switch off your PS4. So hold the power button until it goes off. Just keep holding until it goes fully off. Then you let go. Then what you need to do is you need to listen for the beep. Not the first beep when I press the button, but the second beep. When you hear it, then you let go of the power button. So let's listen. Let it fully go off first, and now it's gone fully off. Press it, that's the first beep. You need to hear the next beep. Then you let go. As you can see, it says connect your DualShock PS4 cable on the Presta. Let me show you. I'm gonna press your PS4 controller, the PS, and then let's go to the screen. As you can see, guys, we're in a safe mode. You have to scroll down all the way to. You can either do the same thing and restore default settings, or update system. Or in this case, you need to go to number 6. Number 6, Initialize PS4. So once you click on it, as you can see, if you want to initialize your PS4, all your users and all your data will be deleted from it. I show you want to continue. If you want to delete everything and you're certain to delete it, click yes, and then your system is fully deleted. So guys, go to number 6, click X. Once you click X and you set to delete, go yes and press X again, and your system is fully reboot, manufacturer reset, just the way you bought it from the shop. Everything clean. So if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.